And in another political development, the National Alliance Party's Disputes Tribunal has cleared Moses Kuria to vie for the Gatundu South parliamentary seat. The tribunal had been called in after the TNA nomination results were disputed by one of the losing candidates and a section of TNA MPs. KTN's Wilson Buru reports.
The journey to becoming the Gatundu South Member of Parliament for Moses Kuria is now well charted. The party's Dispute Resolution Tribunal, probing his controversial nomination, has cleared him to run in the upcoming by-election. A section of MPs had protested the manner in which the TNA party conducted the nominations, claiming that the process was openly manipulated to ensure that Kuria was given the party ticket. The legislators, led by Kieni Member of Parliament Kanini Kega and Kandaro's Alice Wahome, termed the primaries a sham and called for the revocation of the certificate granted to Kuria and a fresh nomination.
Evidence emerging is that the person who was declared the winner during that day is not the person who won the nominations.
The ruling brought joy and relief to Kuria's camp, who called for unity as the by-election approaches. Former MP Joseph Ngugi's widow, Joyce Ngugi, who came in second during the nomination, however, said the process was not satisfactory.
It is an indicator that the largest party in East and Central Africa has actually come of age, and we look to march to the future, to match other parties like the ANC in South Africa.
Kuria is no stranger to controversies. He is currently facing a legal battle to clear his name over hate speech charges after some comments he posted on Facebook were deemed to be inciting. He appeared at the Nairobi Chief Magistrate's Court, denied the charges, and was released on a 2 million shillings cash bill and a 5 million shillings bond. There was also another controversy after blogger Robert Alai alleged that Kuria and political commentator David Matsanga planned to kill him. Alai released an audio file on the internet which purported to be a conversation between Kuria, Matsanga and another party. Sources in TNA, however, say Kuria is favored by President Uhuru Kenyatta for his combative and energetic nature, which was exhibited when he was a regular guest on KTN's Sunday talk show Checkpoint.
I cannot believe that, Professor, you are holding brief for the British.
I'm not.
I mean, Chinese were not colonized by the British, were they?
With Gatundu South being the president's backyard, it is widely expected that Kuria will clinch the parliamentary seat during the by-election slated for August 7th. Wilson Buru, KTN, Nairobi.